Good evening, my people. In today's video, I just want to share how I preserve my boiled beans to make it easy and reduce stress during the week. I've already boiled these beans. I use the black eye beans and I boiled it for 40 minutes. I boiled it first in 10 minutes and sieve the water and rinse it again so that all the brown water will come off because of the chemicals that they use sometimes to preserve the beans. And after that, I have to put it back and set it for another 30 minutes. So this is the result of the 30 minutes. It's so soft. So what I do with these beans, I just bought these 2 bags. They are food bags. I bought them in the shop, home bagging shop. Just a stone throw, just in 5 to 10 minutes walk from my house. So I'm going to be using these bags to tie up the beans. I'll measure the beans and put in these bags and put them in the freezer. So anytime I come back in the evening, if I want to use it, I just bring one of the bags out and start cooking. So this is how the bag looks like. So I'm going to put them in these bags so that I'll put them in the freezer to make it easier for me anytime I feel like cooking. As it is, we can use it, you can boil it to rice and serve it with it. We can boil potato with it. We can equally use it for indomie, because sometimes I mix it with indomie because it's already boiled and soft, so I can just put it in indomie and then boil it with indomie. I can also use it for beans and plantain. So anyone that you want to use it for, you can use it for it. So after packing it in these bags, I'll just freeze it. So within 5 minutes that you put it out from the freezer, it's already melted. If you put warm water on it, it just melts. Then you can easily make what you want to make with it. You don't have to start boiling beans all over again, or boil beans anytime you want to make beans. So put them in back like this and seal it up. Seal the bags. Just this. Seal the bags. So you can put as much as you want. If you have a large family, you put more. I'm doing this measurement because I don't have a large family, so you can boil your rice, fry your stew and serve it with it, so you don't have to boil your beans from scratch anytime you want to make your beans. It makes it easier. especially for those busy moms. Though we are all busy moms, but some are busy, more busy than the other. So for those who are more busy than the others, it will be very handy for you to just come back and start. You can also use it to eat yam or boiled plantain, even fried one. You can use it too. You just quickly take it to what you want to use it for. Wait. If it's fried one, if it's boiled plantain, anyone you want to use it for, you quickly use it. So, we have to make life easier so that we are not stressed. You can be boiling it and be doing other things. And then when you finish, you pack it neatly and put it away in your freezer. So for you to know what you have in them, you can easily pack them in a bag like this and put the name and dates of the and you can also just drop it in the freezer as it is. So anyone you like, you feel better. So you want to cook, just pick one and make it today. So that's it. So handy. So I hope this my tip will be very useful for those busy moms like me, so that to make life easier and less stressful. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you have seen, remember to click the thumb up button, subscribe and share with friends and family. Thank you.